Alright, Fit Gym charges $15 per month. Gym Rat charges $15 per month plus an additional fee of $50. Which of the following statements is true? Am I missing one? Alright. The next question, Javier will paint will paint the 4 outside walls of the house, but not the bottom of the roof. What is the area what is the area that Javier will paint? Okay, so this is either going to be lateral or total surface area. Lateral or total surface area. But it says that we'll paint the 4 outside walls, but not the bottom or the roof. So that's going to be lateral surface area, just the walls. Total is walls, roof, floor. Okay? All right, the formula for total surface area is S equals PH plus 2B. Okay? So we're going to do the perimeter of the rectangle. So this is 22, this is 20, this is 22, this is 20. So 22 plus 20 plus 22 plus 20. So 20 plus, that's 84. 84 times the height of the prism, which is 24. So 84 times 24 is 590. So 590 plus 2b. So 2, this is the area of the base, so base times height. So 590 plus 2. The base and the height is 22 and 20. So this is 1,470. And then we're not painting the door. So we're going to get the area, which is base times height. So A equals base times height, which is 4 and 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. And we're going to subtract 1470 minus 24. So this is 1446. Okay. All right. This one up here. Which description best represents the data? So we're going to subtract. So this is going to be 1, 1, 1. 31.5 minus 26.5 is 5. 58 minus 31.5 is 26.5. 84.5 minus 58 is 26.5. Which description best represents the data? 1 gallon of paint costs $31.50. No. George has $26.50 in his wallet and spends $5 every day. No. A baby rhino is 26.5 inches tall at birth and grows 5 inches per month. It snows 26 inches per month in Alaska. All right. I decided that we're not going to do this problem. So we're going to skip it. All right. Graph the equation. Y equals 5x plus 2, y equals negative 2x minus 5. Okay, first thing I want to do is put this in rise over run. Okay, anything over, if they give you a whole number, it's over 1. So the rise is going to be 5, the run is going to be 1. Same thing here. The rise is going to be negative 2 over 1. So I'm going to graph this. I'm going to start with the y-intercept, positive 2. I'm going to put a dot there. And I'm going to rise 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. Put a dot there. And I'm going to go do the same thing the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then put a dot right there. Okay, and then I'm going to use another pencil or pen. Then we have negative 5 is this intercept, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the rise is negative 2 over 1. But instead of going up, we're going to go down because that's a negative. So we're going to go 1, 2 over 1. 1, 2 over 1. And we're going to do the pattern the other way. We're going to go 1, 2 over 1. Okay, so when you graph the two equations, they end up connecting right here. Okay, so which order pair correctly identifies the value of x and y? So negative 4 and 1, 2, 3. Negative 4, negative 3. So where they cross is going to be where the solution is. Alright, the total surface area of a box shaped like a rectangular prism is 8.2 inches long, 3.4 inches wide, and 2.3 inches high. What is the total surface area? So S equals PH plus 2B. So we're going to do a box. 8.2, 3.4, 2.3. Okay, so the perimeter is 8.2 plus 3.4 plus 8.2 plus 3.4 times the height, which is 2.3. 8.2 plus 3.4 plus 8.2 plus 3.4 is 23.2 times 2.3 times 2.3, 5336. Okay, 53 plus 2b. So plus 2 times the base times the height, which is 3.14 times 8.2. So 53.36 plus 2 times 3.4 times 8.2 is 109.12. All right. The timing on my video is about to run out, and I didn't get to double check my math. Although I did everything right, I still did not get to double check my math. This is base times height. Okay.